All right, guys. So the other trick to getting your truck and trailer out of a spot is, especially when you got two long trailers on both sides of you, there's a couple things you got to look out for. That's your swing out of the trailer and when you cut it. So we're in a tight spot. You can tell I got a trailer over here, both that side. I got a truck and a trailer over there on that side. So I may go straight forward. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna see how this works out. If I go straight forward, I got plenty of room to get through there, and that's really the way I want to go. So we may just go straight forward. I'm not gonna try to make a left right here because I don't want to hit nobody's trailer or nobody's ram. So I believe we are just gonna pull straight forward. Yep. I know this will be a little tight, but we're gonna watch it as we go through here. Excitement at the lake. And here's the thing, when we park the trailers, we kind of, I mean, look at this guy. Okay, yeah, so it's a little tight through here. We're gonna watch it. Luckily my truck is taller than pretty much everything here, so I just go right over everybody else's mirror, which is kind of, and see that right there is tight. You see my trailer and his trailer. Yeah, I need to watch his mirror. We're getting over here a little bit. I'll watch his mirror real close, and I'm not going to turn until I know I got clearance to get out of here. Clearance. I negotiated that rather well. Good. All it is to it, nothing but to do it. Because the last thing you want to do, oh, and also, and I forgot to check, but sometimes you need to go out and check and make sure no one hits your truck or trailer. I don't think any, I think we're good, but I have come back to my truck and my trailer has been hit. So you just want to take your time. The last thing you want to do is hit somebody when you either get into the lake or leaving the lake, it'll ruin your day. So we're not going to do that. So we're just going to take our time here, get down to the boat ramp, and we're going to back this trailer in, and we're going to be ready to retrieve the chaparral. Just taking our time, going to assess the situation. Hey bud, we're going to look and see what's going on the ramp. There's a boat here. There's no boats right in there. I may just take right in here. And I always like going to the ramp where the dock is on my right, because that's where I'll be if I'm driving the boat. I can reach out and just, you know, hit it. Not hit it, but, you know, grab it if I get too close. I'll pull up right here. Go get lined up with this. Get lined up with this ramp, and I got it good all day. Like a glove. Let's see what we got over here. I'm trying to hold a camera and do this. I don't think there's many people you know who can hold a camera and back a boat trailer and retrieve a boat at the same time, but this cat right here, I can. I've done this for so many years. I could almost do it in my sleep, I think. I've been asleep a couple times doing it. But we're gonna back on down here. And these daggone lake flies are just, look at this. I don't know where in the world where is the wildlife officer when you need them? Oh well, they're never around. They'll get me, pull me over, give me a ticket before they give them one. But that's just the way it is. So I'm gonna back the trailer in here. You don't want to bury your trailer, guys. Please don't bury your trailer. I see so many people trying to bury their trailers. That is not the way you want to load a boat. These modern trailers drive on. So I put my trailer right at the top. Right there, just like that. All right, so let's go get this boat. All right, so you see where I put my trailer with the top of the fender right there, right at the water line. So that way when you drive that boat up on that trailer, you ain't got no choice but to follow the middle of the trailer. You're not gonna hit anything. The trailer's gonna guide you onto it. There is no need to bury the trailer at all to put your boat on a trailer. I see so many people doing that so wrong, and it gets on my nerves, literally. All right, we're still recording. See how that trailer looks right there? That right there is where you want your trailer when you back it in the water. You see where it's at? You don't need to go no further than that. That's it right there. That's all you need to do. Co-pilot's coming in for the kill. Let's see how she does. Slow down. Wind's blowing that way. Go that way. Go that way. Good job. Go that way. You're fine, just neutral. Now hit reverse. That's fine, you're doing neutral. You're fine, you're perfect. Yeah, see the wind's blowing to the wind here is blowing to my right. So we're just gonna ease right on this trailer. I'm gonna go to the left of the trailer because the wind is blowing to my right. And this is the hardest thing people try to understand when they're trailing a boat. That wind will blow you right over there. I ain't doing nothing but just waiting on the wind to blow me over there. I'm just giving a little bump. Coming out. And the wind will blow you right over there. And that is the hardest thing for people to understand. Look at this, perfect. Every time. Look at that, guys. See there, guys? That is how you load a boat right there. And you just put it in gear, straighten your wheel up, and you just ease it right on. I mean, you make sure you're straight. That's it. I love it. Love it to death. Actually it didn't. So it's a chaparral. Yeah, it's a chaparral, and that's a Coyote trailer. They build those trailers like in the same town in Georgia where they build chaparral. And I do a lot of internet, YouTube and everything. So I actually done a lot of research on it, and I found out that Coyote custom builds ladders for these trailers. And so basically they custom build it for me. And basically this whole, it's powder coated because I want the same color as the boat, you know, obviously. But it just goes down here on your tube, and it makes it a little easier to get in and out, and you ain't got to worry about getting wet. Especially if you come out to the lake and it's like, you know, super cold, you just jump in the boat. Exactly. Thank you. You too, thank you. That was awesome. Got a compliment on a ladder. All right, let's go. All right, I already put the motor up. That's automatic. All right, let's go. do, I've been doing this for years and years and years, but I like to pull that really, really slow, because if something's wrong and someone sees you, they're going to scream.